I think it's a great initiative taken by the Deaf and Blind School. It will encourage the deaf and blind children to come out of their comforts, and also for us lay people who don't know much about the Deaf and Blind School and the children, it's a good way to interact with them, and they will learn some from us and we will learn much more from them. So it's quite an interesting concept. I hope this carries on every year and we have a great rally tomorrow. Thank you.
Literally, I'm very excited about this rally. So I'm just waiting for it a week. So I just want to know how they're gonna manage this rally, how the blind people will navigate to them. I'm very excited. Let's see what happens tomorrow.
This is really for a good noble cause, and we are feeling very good to do so, to help them to give our services, and moreover we are even much more excited also that what will happen and how the blind students will do so, and so we will really feel good to see and to give our services.
It's gaining speed, it's gearing up, we're getting excited.
Okay.
First blind car rally of Patiala.
पहली बार हो रही है और हम लोग भी कहीं ना कहीं चीज़ को पहली बार फेस कर रहे हैं, तो मन में मतलब एक्साइटमेंट है कि मतलब कैसे होगा क्या होगा, लेकिन फिर भी फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ये सुन के बड़ा अच्छा लगा हमें कि मतलब यहाँ पे ऐसा कुछ हो रहा है, तो हम इस चीज़ से बहुत खुश हैं। मतलब हमारे
इस बात से और खुश हैं कि हमारा स्कूल इसको ऑर्गेनाइज कर रहा है
और हमारा स्कूल मतलब अच्छा प्रयास कर रहा है, पहला प्रयास कर रहा है, लेकिन बहुत बढ़िया अच्छे लेवल पे जाए हम यही चाहते हैं। हमें बहुत बढ़िया लग रहा है सर। नेविगेट में ऐसा होगा कि हमारे पास एक मेरिट पेपर होगा, वो बेल में लिखा होगा, मतलब उसमें सारी इंस्ट्रक्शन रहेंगी, मतलब जो भी जहाँ जहाँ रूट कितनी 50 मतलब कितने मीटर्स पे जाके हमें टर्न जाना है, टर्न करना है, या क्रॉसिंग पे एग्जिट पॉइंट आएगा, ऐसे इसमें सब कुछ लिखा होगा। तो हमने टाइम टू टाइम अपने ड्राइवर से उस ड्राइवर को कन्वे करना है कि अब यहाँ पे जाना है, अब यहाँ पे जाना है। ड्राइवर सिर्फ हमारे कहे अनुसार चलेगा और हमने उस चीज़ को मतलब उसको हमें नेविगेट करना है, नेविगेटर का काम करेंगे उसको।
Everything is going fine and all set for tomorrow.
आपको हम डिस्टेंस दे रहे हैं थ्रू फ्रॉम द रोड को, आपको हम स्पीड दे रहे हैं फ्रॉम द स्पीड चार्ट। तो आपके पास ESP फॉर्मूला में से दो चीज़ें आ गई। थर्ड इज So any questions regarding the competition? Okay, so yeah, so navigator will be telling you what is the instruction number going on, and you will have a speed chart. जिसके ऊपर में instruction number, let's say 1 to 10, आपने 23 की speed maintain करनी है. So you'll go. Yeah, so navigator also will be able to read the instruction number. No, you'll only know the instruction number.
तो रेड फ्लैग आपको लोकल लो, ग्रीन आपको टोरंटो जाओ, ठीक है। फ्लैग मार्शल सोचे नहीं है, फ्लैग आ जाओ, सबसे जाके फ्लैग को तैयार कर लो। ब्लू बस रखवाया।
Cars are approaching. Copy.
Basically, how many cars approach?
Cars approach.
So they're going to come to you. Alright? They've done their thing. Then they're going to you. Alright? Status. Flag off status.
I'm here. Copy that.
Copy.
Wait.
Okay.
Basically, cars are approaching. Basically, copied. When you have to give the message, you have to say that all stations stand by. If we are talking, we will be stopped at that time. You will deliver your message at that time. You have to say that all stations stand by.
and then we will listen to you first.
All stations standby. Observer, what's the status?
They have to stop. So basically, you have to go and put them on your left on the road. So the driver is able to feel it. And flag marker, मेरे को खड़ेगा.
My name is Minnie.
Okay, so what do you do for a living?
I'm a teacher. I'm a scientist actually. I teach in the university,
Which university?
Punjabi University,
Alright,
Patiala,
alright.
and
And
I'm an academic and a food technologist by profession.
alright. So, how did you end up joining RCR?
This was a few years back when I rode pillion with one of my friends. We'd gone to the mountains. It was a 9-day expedition. So at the time I was riding pillion, I didn't have a bike, and by the time I came back, I was so mesmerized by the whole concept of riding in the mountains that when I came back, I bought myself a bike and I haven't looked back since.
Alright. So, tell us more about RCR.
RCR is about 4 years young now, yeah. And the first ride that was done by RCR was by a group of 4. They took off to Leh and they spent a few days there. On their way back, they decided that they should have a group. And that's how we all came in, one by one. So we're all actually friends. Somehow we have each other's references, and that's how we are in the group. We're all very fond of biking, and it's not just that, it's a lot of camaraderie, a lot of togetherness that we.
How do you get the time for this? I mean, you do your job, and you might have family. And how
When there's something in your life that you are passionate about, you automatically
make.
take time for it. Yes.
Alright.
So of course it needs a bit of planning, for sure. So you need to plan that somewhere around August, September we're going to go. So you're already setting in your work plans like that.
How did this idea come to you?
See, this is because we have a member here, and his father, that's their family's social help they do to the society. They have school of blind and deaf, right? And since he is there, and they asked, Colonel Saab asked us if you can help us to do the rally. For us, it is also a first experience. We got into that and we started.
Okay, okay. And why did you choose Patiala, or was it because you are from Patiala, so you decided कि चलो Patiala itself से start करते हैं?
ਹਾਂਜੀ. It is that's a reason because the blind and deaf school they are celebrating their golden jubilee.
Okay.
So this is a part of golden jubilee celebration. Then it has to be in Patiala.
So what are your thoughts on the blind and deaf?
Hi, good morning.
What is your good name?
I'm Simar.
You Simar Singh.
Yeah.
So tell me more about Royal City Riders.
Royal City Riders is a group in Patiala, a motorcycle group. We founded it in 2013. We had
Okay.
gone to Leh. Leh जाके ਅਸੀਂ देखा कि ਉੱਥੇ the biking culture is so popular now in India. And when we came back, we thought that Patiala doesn't have a bike group. So we thought of making it here, and that is how it came into formation.
So ਤੁਸੀਂ कुछ friends इकट्ठे हुए and you made one and
We,
eventually it
yeah,
grew.
we are all common friends in our group. ਜਿਹੜੇ members ਆਉਂਦੇ ਨੇ, we have kept it a reference system. That suppose I know somebody, I can get him into the club. If he knows somebody personally, he can get him into the club. So it's basically quite a closed group.
So do women participate in this?
Yeah, we have 2 lady riders with us.
Okay, we have two
One of them is here, Minnie.
All right.
She's very regular. She's gone to Leh, we've gone to Spiti. So yeah, we do have.